Welcome to this product presentation of IOH BISCI Level 1. IOH BISCI Level 1 is based on the wisdom that man learns from mistakes, but it is not necessary that all those mistakes are necessarily his. For a long time now, for years and many centuries, men have been doing business, trading, manufacturing, and it has been found that when people start their business, they tend to make those same mistakes that most people make. It leads to a lot of wastages of time, money, and other resources. In today's time, when the things are getting more and more competitive, can one really afford to make these sacrifices? And is it really necessary with the information technology highway bursting with possibilities where we can connect with each other so easily and where information is available on fingertips? Why should one have to do the same mistakes that other make? So welcome to IOH BISCI Level 1. It is a business start blueprint. This is a course which has been designed by me based on my 24 years of working experience, both professional and business. And the main objective here is to help you start your business right. A little bit about me. I am Vishal Ganeriwal. I currently wear 3 hats. One of a business start coach. Second is a vision growth partner. And third is a digital marketing consultant. So this is my work profile. You can see that my education has basically been in the area of commerce with majors in computer side. I have a rounded education background with finance, digital marketing. I have on-job experience with industrial engineering, Six Sigma. These are, these attributes have given me a kind of a very strong conceptual understanding of not only business, but some of its very important application areas like manufacturing and marketing and finance. My experience profile, 24 years of working so far, about 8 years in business. My domains of experience, new ventures, strategy, manufacturing, marketing, sales, recruitment. I have worked across the board. Life has been very interesting for me, and I have had experience across the board. And there's hardly any area of business which I don't understand. In fact, that is one of my key strengths, that I understand how all the wires and of the business are connected, and what happens if you pull one thread, which are the various stress points which it is going to touch. So when you discuss and engage with me, you're discussing and engaging with someone who understands all the business processes very deeply. Some of the top designations that I've handled is Director Operations. As Director Operations, I handled turnover around 10 crores. Vice President Sales handled turnover about 50 crores. And again, as Vice President Operations, handled turnover 75 crores. My key strengths are all-round deep business knowledge and skills. I'm excellent at team building. I have a very strategic approach to situations and challenges. My articulation and communication skills are excellent. I understand both the conventional and the digital marketing side of things. I am a very creative and intuitive person. I use my creative abilities and intuitive abilities to make decisions. And I have a win-win temperament. Perhaps this is one of my biggest strengths. I do not believe in the I lose, you win, or you win, I lose paradigm. I try my best to make it win-win. So coming to this question of starting a business. The first question when somebody wants to start a business that comes to his mind, what business should I do? Do we have a framework today for someone to understand what business should one do? It's very a common cliche is, you should follow your passion. When you attend this course, you will realize that this cliche is true, but it needs to be approached in a calibrated way. Sometimes chasing passion in the short run may not be the right approach. And you have to deal with passion in a more calibrated way. So these are some secrets about how to choose your business, how to map your own strengths, and how to make a suitable business choice. Second is, what are my business win factors? Assuming you know what to do, what are going to be the win factors in this competitive world? The world out there is getting more and more competitive by the day. And unless you are very much focused on the factors that can make you win, the news there is that in all likelihood, you're not going to succeed. You have to work on your strengths, and you have to play with your strengths, and you have to lead with your strengths. How to launch a business? Things have rapidly changed. Most of us here are experiencing the flux of society. Technology especially is changing so fast. And because of the change in technology, the rules of the games are changing. There are a lot of disruptive factors which are coming in. And the way businesses were started even a few years back is different than how it has to be done today. The digital component has become a very important aspect of all functions, including launch of business. And we will look at this. We will also look at the traditional wisdom of business launch, and also bring in the technology aspects. Another problem that we face when we want to start business is, do we really understand the business landscape? Do we understand all its functionalities? We have some product, some service in mind, and we think we're going to create and sell it. Yes, that is basically what business is, but there are a lot of other functions and issues which are associated with business: the tax angle, the legal angle, the sales angle, the HR angle. And it is good to know, to have a recap of it, an overview of it. And you should also know how you can create the resources, or where you can find the resources to take care of these business functionalities in case you need to. Next very important aspect that comes in when you want to start your own business is a business mind. Business mind is something which needs to be developed over time. When you're starting a business, unless you're from a background which is already into business, you may find many things surprising here, especially if you're fresh from formal education, or you're just moving in from a secure job. The mindset that is required to do a business is a very different kind of a mindset. And though the effort required and the professional attitude required is quite similar, but the expectations and how we have to calibrate our approach towards things, how we have to take results, successes, and more important, failures in the right way. How do we remain grounded? How do we respect the fact that the most important factor that a person is interested in is in himself? And how do we make this self-interest a part of our business sales and pitch plan? So all this business mindset has to be developed, and in this course we'll talk about it. A very important aspect that I have added to this course is how to use inner feelings for business decision making. I am from a background of meditation, and over the years I have found that how do you choose? How do you know when your brain is giving you 4 options, people are giving you various options? How do you know that which is the right path to follow? What is the right one to take? And I believe that somewhere within us, there is a natural wisdom which can point in the right direction. So we will also talk in this course about how do we use our inner feelings for making business decisions. We will balance the use of the head, the logic, and the heart, which is the feeling aspects. And finally, I will pitch to you that why I am a very suitable business coach for you. So next is, why did I create this product? There are uncertain times ahead, not only just because of Corona and the lockdown and all of us losing jobs, but in general, the times have become very uncertain. The predictability of business, you cannot assume, especially in private jobs, that you'll continue to be retained for a long time. You need to continuously upskill, and the dynamics can change, and all of a sudden you may find yourself that you may be in troubled waters. So it is best that we have a second option. We should have ways to earn passive income. We should have ways to have a part-time business, or some way of doing our business, so that we have multiple sources of income. Another thing that I realize is that people who want to start their business don't know many aspects about the business and they jump into it. And then after jumping into it, they realize that, oh, I didn't know this and I didn't know that. So just by doing this simple course, this simple 3-week course, one can get hold of the landscape and be ready that what all he's expected to know and what all he can expect on the journey. Another key aspect is people get into business based on hearsay. I see that somebody gives somebody an opportunity. You can make money in this. Let's do this. Let's do this. And without understanding and doing a self-evaluation as to why I should do this business, or is this business opportunity suitable to me, people take that decision. Perhaps they don't have a framework. In fact, that is my understanding, and I've included a very strong framework for self-evaluation in the context of starting a business. And that is going to be very helpful to people. Another aspect is, which I have already highlighted, but is worth repeating here, is why make the same mistakes? Everyone who does business feels that he's creating a new wheel. No, not many aspects of the business one need not repeat. The mistakes one need not repeat. One can learn from the mistakes of others. And after 24 years of working life, and after having made my shares of mistakes, I have come up with some of the best practices that one can make in context of starting a business. Mostly, the next thing why I started this product is because it is my business is an experience to start this coaching. I am actually very great at starting things from scratch. When I look at my professional career and my business career, my biggest joy and my biggest successes and my biggest applauds have come when I've been given startup projects. Maybe start a factory, start a new product division, launch a new product, or start a new business division, or when I started my own businesses. So these are the time where my natural strengths seem to emerge, and I seem to be having a knack for it. And that is why I decided to focus on this niche of business start coaching rather than just general business coaching. I thought I can add maximum value when I use my own strength in this way. So in summary, I have both the conceptual knowledge and the practical knowledge as required in this business start domain. And I have captured a good part of this in this initial level 1 course. So the next thing that I would like to talk about is, who is this product meant for? First of all, I would like to say that I believe in very honest, transparent, and simple system of marketing. I believe in happy sales. Put a product very honestly and talk about its pros and some of its cons and who it is suitable for and what is not, and let people take an informed decision. There are people who will disagree and say there has to be pressure sales and you have to strike the iron when it is hot. But I am here to treat a slightly different path, and I want to open the discussion, keep the discussion very healthy, frank, and honest, and let's have a win-win deal. You get into it only if this makes sense to you. If you are, if you see the value proposition in this in a very genuine way. So who is this product meant for? This product is meant for people who want to start their business, that's obvious, and who are looking for help and guidance. Then people who are looking for focused research and trustable knowledge, which is adequate and not necessarily extensive. There's so much knowledge out there. There's so much of research. The point is, who do you trust? How do you know this information is correct? So, you can begin here. And this product has been designed for people who just want what is necessary for the situation, who don't want to know another 100 or 50 more things, but just enough for the purpose of starting a business. So this course is meant for them. This product will be useful for people who want to start new products, new services, new business divisions. If you want to evaluate whether this, how to evaluate whether this product will work or it will not work, what are the parameters that I should consider? How do I know the service that I'm going to launch is the right service? On what basis should I test it, design it, check the problem solution fit? If it's a new business division, again, a business division is similar like a new business. Maybe the risk a little lower because you have an established business, but the variables that you need to look at and configure are very similar to starting a new business. So it is meant for them too. Then people who are looking for good and honest digital products to resell and make money working from home. So once you're enrolled in this course and you like it, and I'm very sure you will like it and you will feel convinced, then you can become a reseller and you can start making money by reselling. Currently, we are offering 30% net of GST on this reselling. And that's a lot of smart money, especially when you know you're selling a very trustable and honest product. This course has been made keeping small entrepreneurs, on micro startups, small businesses. It's not really meant for the large businesses because the large businesses or the big mid-sized businesses have adequate resources to hire the best consultants, and they can pay for the knowledge that these people have. But it's meant. My course is meant for the micro startups, and the content has been designed keeping that in mind. This course will also be useful for people who are in the early stages of their business, maybe 1 year, 2 year about, and who have still not got their feet into all aspects of the business. So it will be useful for them also, early stage entrepreneurs. It's also important to talk here about what for who this product is not meant for. If you're already an existing business, and if you're looking for a business diagnostic tool, this is not a business diagnostic tool. It is meant for people to start their business right. It is not an in-depth course on all aspects of business management, no, because as I said, only the crucial aspect, the important ones that are necessary points and the important aspects which are necessary at the start of the business, those only will be highlighted. Large businesses, I mentioned earlier also, who have the resources to engage world-class consulting teams, they obviously don't need this product. They don't need to. This course will not be useful for people who have already established their businesses, who are more than 2 years old, who understand business already. So for them, it's not going to add much value, because I'm sure in 2-3 years time, you've understood quite a bit about business, and you may not find this so useful. It is meant for the newbies. You can so put it. Or it can also be gifted from a father to a son, from an experienced businessman to his son, that you can have a look at it, or the daughter, for example. Sorry for my bias on one side. From a father to his child, her to anybody, you can gift who has business aspiration, for him to quickly grasp all the aspects that are involved in starting this business. So let us look at some of the unique selling points. It's conventional to talk about USPs. So here I go. Comprehensive knowledge and guidance. After this course, you will not need to look at anything else in terms of business start. Let us say at least 95%. Let's not say it's 100%. Maybe some aspects in a very customized way, something you may, but ballpark, you will not require anything to look at once you've done this course. You will be good to go in terms of starting your business. The knowledge here will be presented in a very simplified form, and you can trust that. It is based on my 24 years of working, learnings, and practical experience. It's not from the books, straight from the books. It's something that I have applied, tested, most of it at least. And I got many things right, many things wrong. And both of them have been presented here. Things that worked and things that didn't work. And that has given me a lot of insights into how you start things. It also includes a lot of golden nuggets from celebrated books on business. Because over the years, I have done nice amount of reading, and I've adjusted those wisdom nuggets to the wavelength of this course. And I'm sure you will, whenever you come across such business books, you'll remember this course. That course also talked about the same thing, in a very different way. This course will also help you make money. That's another USP of this course. As I said, you have reselling opportunities, but please sell the course only once you're convinced and you're sure about what you're recommending to others. It's another USP. It is an online course. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to travel. In times of these lockdown, it's a boon. You can do this course from the convenience of your home. There's some amount of live training involved in this. That's the time when you need a good internet connection. And that's the time when you will have to be available. Rest of it, you can do this at your convenience, at your pace, at any time you find suitable. It's difficult to put estimate on the amount of time and money that you will save. And I had to struggle a bit to how should I present this figure. But finally, I came to a decision that it can be a big, for assuming that you're a micro setup, small business entrepreneur, it will save you anything between 50,000 and rupees 5 lakhs easily. The kind of mistakes that people make, the kind of wrong associations they make, the misjudgments, the mistakes, the open ends that people leave when they start their business, all those things you can close. And anywhere between this figure, you will be able to save. And normally trainers don't offer money back guarantee, but I'm offering 7-day money back guarantee. In the sense, from the day the course starts, and within 7 days, if you realize that you boarded the wrong train or this course is not meeting what you wanted it to meet, then you are very much welcome to take your money back, and we'll be very happy to return it back with joy. And we will be friends. So this is part of it. This is just to kind of convince those peripheral people who may question, what will happen? Am I making a right decision? Am I, to make them risk-free? This is the reason this guarantee has been given from our side. So now coming to the offer, what is being offered? This is a business start blueprint. We call it IUH BizKey Level 1. You will have 3 weeks of group learning and mentoring from expert, that is me, and also peer-to-peer learnings. All the members of the group will also learn from each other. 4 hours of video training delivered in a systematic way. These are pre-recorded training material, which I'm actually creating specially for this course. And I will be delivering it, releasing those videos in a systematic way, and you can watch them. I will also be sharing a lot of useful guides to resources and information, which will make your business startup journey easy. Practical to-do exercises. Not only will I be sharing the theoretical concepts, but practical exercises will be designed and it will be given so that when you do those exercises, the assimilation of what is being told happens in a very natural and useful way. We'll have 5 hours of live webinar training during these 3 weeks for clarifications and deeper learnings, certain things which are best spoken and understood through question answers and facilitation. We will use our webinar training time for this. I will be available on messages and emails, and I'll try to reply them as soon as possible, but definitely within 24 hours so that you stay connected, all your doubts get cleared. I'm offering a 3-pack bonus. Basically, it is about digital business opportunities, growth opportunities. This is worth 3,000 rupees. The 3 aspects are e-commerce made easy, affiliate marketing made easy, and what is local marketing. Many of the people who start business, there's nothing wrong in having some quick side income. And if you know these 3 concepts, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, and what is local marketing, it will help you generate good local income, especially affiliate marketing. Not only is it important to, it's not just the part about making some additional income. Most of these concepts will help you scale up your business. And in most cases, this has to be integrated in your business startup plan. So this will be a great free bonus for you to enjoy. It involves high quality content in the form of ebooks and resource guides that will give you step-by-step information on how to make money using these digital business growth opportunities. So you can download this ebook and you can download the resource guides. It is also includes a right to watch about 100 minutes of quality information. Right on these 3 topics, we have about 10 to 12 videos. And apart from reading these ebooks and resource guide, you can watch these videos. And people who like to consume data in a visual way, they can watch the videos and read the books later. Or if you are a reader, you can read the books and watch the videos, whichever way it works better for you. You have a 60-day window within which you need to download, videos you cannot download. Ebook and resource guides you can download. Videos have to be seen as a uploaded course, and you can watch it within 60 days of your course starting time. Comes with the price. The full price of this course is actually 4,999, but we have just launched this course, and the offer price is 2,499 with the claim within 7-day 100% money back guarantee. Again, what this means is once the course has started, and if you feel that this course is not meant for you, anytime during the 7 days, you can send us a message and we will refund your money completely. But it has to be within 7 days. What is this course all about? In summary, it is a 3-week online training program on how to start your business right. So I think it's a fantastic price. Anyone who wants to start his business, this is, what do I say? How I wish I had this about 10 years, 15 years back, 20 years back, when I wanted to know this entire landscape and what are the best practices and what one should do and one should not do. But anyway, what I missed, I think others can gain. And I hope those who have been watching till here will now feel convinced that this is a great price. But again, we want it to be an honest pitch. And before you press the pay button, please take care of these points. You need to have a Gmail ID because I will be uploading the videos, some of the videos as a private view video in YouTube. And you will need a Gmail ID and YouTube access to watch those videos. Free bonus video content must be watched and consumed within 2 months of training, from the training start date. I've already covered it, just repeating it. The IUH BISCI Level 1 Business Start Blueprint videos come with a 6-month watching rights. This is a training program. This is not a digital course with lifelong watching rights, or as they will say that all further updates are free for you. It's a training program. Consider it like this. If you would attend a training program somewhere, that's it, 2 days, 3 days, or 1 week, and the training is over, the training is over. And consider this something similar on those lines. It's a training program, and it's a combination of pre-recorded videos, live webinars, question answers, sharing, and everything else that we have discussed. This is a training program which requires 1 to 2 hours of time investment for about the next 3 weeks. If you're not prepared to put in that 1 or 2 hours of time, then it may not be so useful for you, because you will not really gain. You will just hear, and you may not even hear. I mean, you may say, okay, I will see it later. But in such a training program, there's a lot of content, and if you miss 4 days, 5 days, 7 days, then to catch up with everything may be difficult. Plus, when our live webinar is on, I'm going to talk about the content which has just been delivered. And if you do not have that context framework, you will not be able to participate and gain from that live webinar. So unless you're ready to put in that 1 to 2 hours a day for the next 3 weeks and make full use of this course, you should not press the buy button. Suggested time for the live webinar as of now is Sunday, 11:30 to 1 p.m. I am flexible based on what is the group, and we can look at alternate time, but the default time right now is 11:30 to 1 p.m. If the majority wants it at some other time, which is convenient to most, we can look at it also. For the live webinar, we shall be using a Zoom application. So you must have Zoom. It doesn't cost anything. It can be installed for free. Only during the live webinars, you need to make sure you have internet bandwidth and speed so that you do not have trouble in participating in the live webinar. All other things will come to you as a recording or information posts, and you don't need live data immediately. You can download all that at your convenience whenever you want. Live webinar recordings will be available in case, on a rare case, you have missed. I do strongly suggest you don't miss the live webinar recordings. But if it happens, you're not able to attend for whatever reason, we will share the recordings with you with limited time viewing rights. Again, why it is limited time? Maybe it will be for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, because I see a tendency that people, if they know that that I can do this after 1 month, they will do it after 1 month. But if they know that I have only 15 days to see this, then they will see it in 15 days. So that's my understanding about things as I have seen them, and we're going to make use of this human psychology. The batch size for the live webinars will be not more than about 20. The idea is that I want to take questions, and I want to feel everyone that adequate time has been given to their clarification and questions. If there are more than 20 participants in the group, we will have more live webinars so that everyone gets adequate time as required by him or her. This is a snapshot of the entire IOH BizKey solution. Right now, we have just launched the white part, which is Know the Business Blueprint, which is a 3-week online training program. The level 2 will be launched later. The difference between level 1 and level 2 is level 1 will be conceptual, practical exercises will be given. You will be able to digest, you will know the concepts, the theory, everything. And those who want actually will be very, very well equipped to start their own business. But then there are some of us who want more handholding, who want more mentoring. So level 2 will be more like group coaching, where some of you can come together and we can actually look at your business niche, work together on the exercises with more attention, and help you design your minimum launch possibility business plan. We'll work together and get your launch business plan ready. So that's the level 2. There's level 3 for people who require one-to-one coaching and business support services. We will talk about it a little later. Business support services will actually help you launch your business. Finally, the final level is 4, where you want to collaborate with your business. We will discuss this inside the group. But these are the 4 levels. So currently we are giving level 1, which is Know Your Business Blueprint. So a final pitch. It is customary to say, why me? What are the qualities of a good business coach? I thought this through and I reflected. End-to-end business process knowledge. In terms of business start, yes, end-to-end business process knowledge the coach should have. He should have deep practical knowledge. He should have deep understanding of human nature, because business is not actually business to business. It's people to people. There are people involved. And if somebody is going to coach you, he needs to understand you and also the kind of your environment that you are in and the environment you want to deal with. He should have real experience of doing business. Not only practical experience, which in terms of doing work, but actually having done and run businesses and made mistakes. That's so important. Committed to his own continuous learning. A coach who doesn't learn, who's not learning every day is, I think, a bad coach, because things are changing and he needs to keep updated. And also, I think continuous learning shows humility in the person. Connected to business support services, you need anything to do with the domain that he's talking about. He should be connected to help you out. He should be able to leverage your SWOT framework. So everyone has strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threat. It is very important that a coach doesn't dish out, one recipe for everybody, especially when it comes to one-to-one coaching and group coaching. You need to understand who is dealing with and what are the peculiarities that the person has. And what are his strengths, what are his weaknesses, and how should he adjust what is being told so that it is useful to the person who's receiving it, and help the person move quickly on the opportunities that are there in front of them and to eliminate the threat. To be frank, in the first level, I will not be able to leverage each person's SWOT framework, but that's where group coaching and one-to-one coaching is useful in case if you need it. Effective communication. Of course, coaching is not possible without effective communication. He should be he should have natural motivation skills. Coaching is also about motivation. Unless a coach should when you talk to your coach, you should feel fresh, you should feel charged, and you should feel more purposeful, and you should be committed to your vision and mission. I think that's a natural tendency, natural skill of a coach, and a coach who loves his job will be able to do that. Ability to keep you focused, that's so important, so that you don't get lost. He tries his best that you don't move your sights away from the bird's eye, your goals. And he should, in general, be committed to your overall success. He should not be a fly-by-night operator, or he's, of course, money is important, money exchange is important, but once that happens, then money is secondary. We are related to each other as human beings in a win-win way, and the coach should try best to stretch himself to make things happen for you. So yes, that's me. And when you join my course and start interacting with me, you'll realize that what I am saying, that's me. I'm saying with complete responsibility, and you'll find all these qualities in me. You can do this course yourself. You can gift it to people. You can sponsor people. The price is extremely, extremely, it has been very reasonable, keeping in mind that most people should be able to afford this. So, great. Take a decision and press the buy button, and see you inside the course. Thank you so much.